What's that?
Baby. Baby. Say baby.
Ellie, don't touch. Baby.
Look
at mommy. You don't need to touch.
Look at mommy. But I think.
Oh, look here. Look at mommy. Look at Kane.
Look at me. Touch him.
Look at Kane. Look at Kuya.
Uncle Kuya is cute.
Barb, barb, barb.
Come
Oh.
on, baby bird. Come on, bird for us. Yeah, bird, bird, bird.
Pakapaluin. Paluin naman ulo.
Ayun na yun.
Oh, he yawned.
Tirong ka na yun.
No.
Tulungan mo to.
She messing up the curtain again. I have to take it out.
Hindi
Hindi na, ano ko ba kami?
It's gonna fall right on top of
Tanggalin
it.
na lang lahat.
It's gonna fall on top of it.
Sabi mo kay Hermie, tanggalin mo na lang, Hermie, magnet lang naman yun. Yan, sige, pull mo out.
Eh, wala na kayo.
Kaya mo na lang, kasi yung ano lang naman yung pangharang.
Look at it, dog. Look at it, dog. Now, yeah, she's helping you, look. Braylon, she's helping.
No, that's not helping, Braylon.
Oh, it's the turn.
What? What do you want?
Why do you have to be so pushy, little girl?
What is that?
No.
Dean? What's wrong? Put it back up,
No,
Christine.
she wants to get on.
But she's gonna...
Well, you keep forcing her in here, Christine. She's going to do it. You go back?
Yep.
She needs to learn. Christine just wants to put everything up, but that's not the way these...
She'll be, say no, huh?
Na?
Walang sat na doon.
Sino mo? Sino naglalaro doon? Binubuhan niya.
Mahigaan na kayo. Yun ang pinapagalit ang mga.
Look at what she's doing. Look what she's doing.
No. Brandon. Don't you dare, girl.
Sinira na yun. Napaka-hyper na nga. Ay, nahihip. Ay, naku, it's dirty.
Tell her put it back. Tell her put it back.
No! Quit taking...
Ano pa yan? May kanya-kanyang buhay talaga to eh. Yung buhay talaga. Ano ba yan? Hindi siya maano, no?
Ganyan pag kami ng dalawa. Sayaw. Alam niya kasi yun eh. Alam niya kasi nasa kanya attention. Ba't ganyan yung pantalon yan?
Bumaba eh.
Law-law na. Yun ang gigigil kay Hermie. Napaka-hyper. Parang nag-mature na nga siya eh.
He's shaking.
Alam niya kasi may baby na eh, kaya ganyan eh.
Yeah.
See the baby?
Oh, she's still running.
Alam mo yung buhok niya itim pero tignan mo. Gold.
Nag-gold pa rin. Sino?
Gold. Nakikita mo. Look at it.
I want him to open his eyes so we can see what color.
It's gonna be 90%.
Sino na naman, no? Sino mo sura mo?
Percent every day.
Naka-video pa rin yan.
Uh-huh.
Ma-upload mo yan sa ganyan mo.
Oo.
Trash and go brush your teeth.
Ano yung mga ano yan, nag-toothbrush yan, may mga akong-banon toothbrush nila, may pangalan nila.
Kailangan kong gawin yung buhay namin, yung real life, no? Yung sa TV. Ang gulo.
Go brush your teeth. Right. The right
Wala.
way.
Apat na anak. Eh, kawawa nga yung ano, yung twin.
Nag-brush the teeth sila kaninang umaga.
Nana! Nah, she's pushy. She's pushy. She bossy. She bossy.
Tinulak na yung...
She just wants to eat, mommy.
Tawag lang na ano kasi
All she wants is that bottle. All she wants is the bottle.
Grabe.
You know hold the name.
Grabe, oh.
Really? It's gonna hurt mom.
Grabe.
Tawag lang yung ano.
Uh-huh.
Hi, you black and Lola. Say hello. Say hello.
Say hi, baby.
Hi, bless you.
Scratch on your face right there. It's scratching itself right
Sino
now.
mo, sino mo?
Ala ka, patagay mo. Masisira yung lens mo na. Selma, kiss the camera. Selma.
Yee. Yee. Don't hurt baby.
Kaya dito tis ba na tayo ang bago. Kasi ka naman.
So, kunin niya yung ano.
Brush your teeth. Right.
Kunin. Oh,
Kylie.
Si baby.
ano ibig sabihin niya? Ano ibig sabihin niya?
Ay, ako tatabi.
Ay, tatabi siya.
Hindi siya kakashell.
Ah, oo. Tik, tik, tik.
I'm here to wipe your nose. Bye-bye.